options.
And be making waves, boy. And be making waves, boy.
Bitch, I'm big dog, all you others just some little plus. I pull up with the Rari, leaving with the Lambo. With your girl, she doing the limbo on my dick. But we're back up, that's it.
Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I want to make a little update on my S550 inspired headlights that I installed about 6 months ago on my 2012 Mustang. So if you've never seen these headlights before, they are really good looking aftermarket headlights for the 2010 to 14 model years. I mean, like, in my opinion, these are the best aftermarket looking headlights. They look so bad. When you hit the unlock button, it lights up like that. And then the DRLs come on and they stay on for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then you can have them on with turning your dial inside to the right one time for your fogs, I think. And then these will be running continuously. So the car looks really mean, really good when it's come down the road with these on. But anyways, so I got these about 6 months ago, like I said, and I haven't had any issues with it. When I was first looking at these headlights, I saw a couple 1-star reviews on Amazon and eBay talking about how some people had their DRLs go out, and that just, you know, that's not good. That's not good at all. But for the most part, it was like a 4 out of 5 star reviewed product, so I was willing to give it a shot, and I haven't had any issues with them. They've came on every time. The one negative complaint I have is the bulbs are not bright enough. Not the daytime running lights, but the actual bulbs themselves. And then when you flip on the brights, there really is no difference. If you get one of these, you should swap out the bulbs for a brighter set. That will help out a lot. But other than that, I've had a pretty solid ride with them. No issues, no fogging up. It's clear as day inside. The outside's a little dirty. The car is dirty, so apologize for that. But they look so good. If you're interested in getting a set for your 2010 to 14 Mustang, definitely do it. It was worth the price. I paid $300 for these off of Amazon. And if you want to see an install video and how the lights look when the car is running and just everything, I covered everything on it. Please check out this video. It's well worth the watch. It's honestly one of the best videos I've ever made, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, check it out. But thank you for checking out this video. My name is Garrett. If you're new to DNA Drives, consider subscribing for more content on this beast. And then we also have 300 SRT content. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch. Hope you found value in it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. That was a handful. Thank you very much.